Well, what's going on, guys? Scotty with Miller Marine. We got this little whaler in. It's not an oldie, but it's still a goodie. It's what year is this thing? It's an 05. Little 15-foot sport. Which got pretty nice. It's clean. Had a 60 Merc that had a few issues that really wasn't really worth fixing. So we put a brand new 70 Yamaha on her. I think she's gonna run pretty good. Needs a little cleanup, but upgrading to hydraulic steering. We're just gonna do the Baystar. Figured Baystar works pretty good on these low horsepower motors. Bigger motors, I will usually try to upgrade the customer to the C-Star. It just holds up better. I don't think the Baystar could really hold the pressure of like a 115. I haven't had that best of luck with them, but the 70s runs pretty good. So get it cleaned up. We're gonna add a battery switch underneath there, 2-position switch. Customer eventually is gonna add another battery underneath there. So put a new shifter in, new control cables. Got a new tack for it as well. We're gonna put in. So this will be hopefully all said and done tomorrow. She looks good. See you guys.